keeps calling out your name. Through the vinyl crack, nothing sounds the same. I've been sitting by this window, watching shadows fade, hoping you might turn around before it gets too late. Every heartbeat echo, everything I couldn't say, every memory